In today's video, I'm trying to find 10 useful things that you can do with 1/10 silver Britannias. Now these things are so pathetic and so small, they don't really carry much use whatsoever. So that is why I'm going to try and find things that I can do with them in this video. So first of all, we're going to count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all we need. These other ones can just be chucked in the bin. Don't need all of those. Absolutely pointless things. But let's see what we can do. So this is the first one. Now the first one, we're going to try and get rid of it in an apple. So let's see if we can just get rid of that one in an apple. Hopefully we can get it right in there. I've got a spoon here. Let me try and use the spoon. There you go. Almost gone. There we go. Right, so that is the first one gone. So that is the first use that you can do with a 1/10 ounce silver Britannia. You can hide it in an apple. So that is number one. Number two, you could bury them in the ground. Now here's a plant pot here. I'm just gonna bury it in there. There we go, that one's gone. So that's better. We've only got 8 of these little rascals to get rid of now. And you can see how easy it is to actually get rid of these. I'm literally just in my kitchen here and we've already got rid of 2, which is absolutely brilliant. Head over here to the bin. Right, the bin does need emptying. We've got a bin bag here as well. So we'll just chuck one in there. So you can put one straight in the bin. Lost it already. God knows where that's gone. But there we go. So now we only have 7 of these to get rid of. We could get rid of one of them in here. That one's gone. That leaves us 6 left to get rid of. And this is proving really, really easy. I'm just literally losing them around the kitchen. What have we got here? We've got some yogurt. Might be a good place to get rid of one. Let's have a look. One of these little yogurts. Yeah, there we go. Pop one just in there. Oh, hang on a minute. There we go. That one's gone. Oh, long gone. So there we go. So this is really, really easy to do. And this is probably the only reason why I'd recommend buying these, really. If you want to have a little bit of fun and just get rid of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to get rid of. What have we got in here? Got some milk. We could put one in the milk, couldn't we? Get rid of one in here as well. Nice and easy. Get rid of one in there. There we go. That one's gone. Won't be seeing that one anytime soon. That leaves us 4 left. Oh, one I've just knocked on the floor. That can just be flicked underneath the washing machine. There we go. And that literally now leaves us 3. Chuck one out the back door. One can go out there. That one's gone. And that now just leaves us 2 to get rid of. One can go down the drain. And that leaves us 1 left. And that is exactly how you should be getting rid of these things. Now I do believe that every toaster has a secret compartment. I think I'm right in saying that. Don't they all have like a secret compartment at the back that you can use to empty? Yeah, they do, look. So we've got a secret compartment here. Look at that. And we can just chuck one of them in there. Gone. So there we go. That is all there is to it, really. That is how you get rid of 10 1/10 silver Britannias in under 5 minutes. And that really is the only use that I can see for these stupid, really small fractional pieces of silver.